Hello once again, guys. I'm back with two more boxes. If I'm not mistaken, it's PunkRave and Rogue+Wolf. So let's do it without any further ado. Oh, wait, I can't get this. I feel I'm missing. I think I have to cut this. I can't really. Do you like my dead hawk that I did today? I followed Black Friday's tutorial on how to make the perfect dead hawk, but I don't think mine turned out that perfect. But it's kind of the first time that I tried like in this style. I've styled my hair up some other times in the past, but not exactly as the same as this one. So this is kind of the first time I'm actually doing exactly like this, if you know what I mean. I think it turned out cool. Okay. What? Oh, okay. I was looking at the other side. There's written stuff and there's PunkRave here. Ta-da! There you go. That's self-explanatory. So let's open it up. This is bubble wrap. Bubble wrap! I love bubble wrap. Oh my god, yeah! This is the best day of my life. Let's see what we have here. So, first, oh, this bag is lovely. Okay, this is the bolero. I can see it. Oh my god. Seems so beautiful. This is, let me see the name. It's the Rose Wing Bolero. What kind of tag is this one? What? This tag says Pion Pion. What? Is that some kind of sub-brand of PunkRave that I don't know about, or I was just ripped off? So, yeah, this is a bolero that I bought because I don't have any, literally I don't have any bolero, so I was like, yeah, okay, I'm gonna buy one. I also bought 3 stuff from PunkRave because I won kind of a contest that they had on their Instagram, the Halloween contest. I was in last place, but I was one of the winners anyway, and I want to just give a shout out and a big, huge thank you to everyone that voted for my photo, my Halloween costume, which was the Grim Reaper. I can leave a photo here for you to see, just so you can see. Yeah, I really loved dressing up as the Grim Reaper in Halloween. And it was awesome that I received 30 euros gift card to spend at PunkRave. So thank you to everyone who helped me win. It was amazing. All of you are awesome, and to those of you who didn't help me, screw you. Let me show you just a little more closer. It's, oh my god, yeah, you can see, look at that light. It's velvet. It's like this. I hope it fits me. I'm gonna try this on and see if the size is alright and tell you, I don't know, what I think about it. It's just so weird that, you know, you buy this from PunkRave and it appears with Pion Pion written on it. I think I've just bought one thing from PunkRave, that it was a cloak that I used in my Halloween costume actually. So I just bought that cloak like 2 years ago, I think. And it was, everything was normal, the tag said PunkRave and everything. So it's really weird that this one says Pion Pion, or I don't know how you call it, but this is super weird. I don't know what's going on, but this is very beautiful. Oh, these sleeves seem so delicate. Look at it, lace here in the end part of the sleeve, and you have a little, I don't know what you call this, but you have this little thing here. I think this is very elegant. They had 2 ones on the website. This one was the cheapest among those 2. So I was like, yeah, it looks cool and it's not as expensive as the other one, and everything is already so expensive. So next we have a bag that says PunkRave, not Pion Pion. Okay, so these are shorts. Oh, okay, now the tag matches the store that I bought it from. It says PunkRave, okay. These are the straight line shorts in size XS. You know, I love the way they have the measurements in their website. Like, they have measurements for every single piece of clothing. And that's like the best thing. In Killstar they have a general bottoms measurements, shirt measurements, dresses measurements. They have like a general section. But PunkRave has specific measurements for every single piece of clothing. There's no much chance for error because you have all the measurements there written for every single piece. I'm really confident I bought the right sizes. I'll see that in a minute. They look like this. They are, of course this is for summer, not for winter time right now, but they look like this. They have like this ripped hem that I thought it was very cool. They are high waist and they have these zippers and details here on the side that I thought they looked very cool. And last of this bag, another bag with the right name on it, not Pion Pion. This is a skirt. This is a lovely skirt. I'm gonna check the name, wait for it. It's the Punk Next Door overall in size S. I thought this skirt was so cute. Oh shit. Okay, everything is falling. Okay, so it's like this. It's a high waist skirt. So it kind of goes high waist like this, and you have these like suspender-like things that go over your shoulder, and in the back you can tie them here, I think. Let me check. It's not really tie, it's a button. So you have 3 holes for the buttons here at the back, so you can adjust. And I guess you can make more buttonhole thingies if you need more. I thought it was so cute and so cool. I hope I can really pair it with a nice shirt. Yeah, I thought it was a cool skirt. I don't have that many skirts. I'm not a very skirt person. I kind of got traumatized in elementary school and middle school and all the schools. I kind of got traumatized because boys and kids in general can be jerks and very mean. For a long time in my life I didn't wear skirts. So I kind of got very used to wear jeans and leggings and just pants, trousers in general. So I'm more of a jeans, leggings kind of gal. It's not that I don't like skirts, it's just sometimes I'm afraid that the skirt can just go up suddenly out of nowhere and everyone can see my underwear. So I think that's it. But I'm kind of trying to go against the fear and just sometimes just say, let's just wear a skirt and roll with it and be beautiful and fabulous throughout all day. I don't know if I make sense, but yeah, they have a little zipper here at the front. I hope it fits me. We will see in a moment. And yeah, let's go to the next little box here from Rogue and Wolf, where witches come to play. Slice along the dotted line to unveil your devilish enchantments. Uh-oh, need to cast a returning spell? Reuse this bag with a self-sealing tape on the inside. This is funny, okay. Can I open it up or do I have to use my big ass scissor? I think I'll have to use this. Like, I love when they ship stuff with a nice bag on the outside. I don't know, I feel like it's part of the magic of the brands or of the store. And I really like Rogue and Wolf appearance, overall appearance. They have very nice jewelry. Jewelry. Oh my god, I always have trouble saying this word. Jewelry. Wait. Jewelry. They have nice jewelry. Yeah, that's it, right? Jewelry. They have nice jewelry. Oh my god, this is so small, look at it. Let's open it up and see if everything is here. It's so small that I'm even wondering if everything that I bought is here. So, a ring. I bought 3 rings and a ring sizing measurement tape thing, ruler. Yeah. You know, I tried to measure my fingers at home, but I just figured let's just buy one and just make sure, and if I need to return, we'll see. Oh my god. Oh, the texture is so peculiar. Oh, okay. Let me just get a little closer. Woo! Look at my shirt. Okay, so this is one of the rings that I bought. Let's see if it fits. Okay, and let me check the name. Lotus Awakens Armor Ring. This is, how do you call? They make all their jewelry, or at least most of it, as far as I know, it's 3D printed. And I don't know if it's everything that it's 3D printed, it's made of this material, but this material, it's so cool. I can't really explain it. It's not soft. Oh my god, I can't really explain. It almost have a velvety touch in the how do you at the surface. I'm sorry, I'm searching my head for the best words to describe this. So this can be useful to you, you know, if you're looking to buy anything that I'm showing here. I think it's very cute. They have lovely rings, but they are very pricey. I heard they are very high quality because it's 3D printed material, but it doesn't stop from being pricey, at least for what I think. It's kind of expensive, but they have very cool designs. So yeah, I bought this armor ring. The tag is like this. It's very cool. It's like a crystal ball with the R and the W. Yeah, this is one of them that I bought. Next we have this one. Oh, the name is here in the back. I didn't notice. So I didn't have to go look in them. I don't know if this will be useful, but the armor ring is in the size 8. This next one is in size 8 too. It's the Ring of Affection. How do I open it? Open yourself. Okay. It's here. Again, the same material. There you go. You can use, I think you can use either way you want. I don't know, pointing up, pointing downwards. It's simple, but I like the simple design of it in black. I bought this one to make pair with a MIDI ring. They have been quite popular in the last years, as far as I've seen in internet and stuff in general. I haven't bought one because, yeah. And MIDI rings are rings for this part of your finger. Rings normally sit here and MIDI rings are for this part. So they are smaller. There you go. This is the this is the Hunt MIDI ring. It's here. So I kind of bought them to make a pair with one another. You know, you can put them in the same finger like this. You can turn them upside down and I don't know. I thought they make a cute pair. I'm just trying to model this. Oh my god. Ooh, yeah, I'm such a alternative model. For my budget in general, it's expensive jewelry. So yeah, I also bought a ring sizer. It's just this little thing here. This is like very useless to show, but I don't know if... Camera, can you focus? Camera, hello? What? I don't know if it's focusing or not. It's basically a rule for your finger. You just see the size, you roll it around and see the size, and I think this will be useful in the future if I want to buy more rings, and yeah. This is a sticker, I think. It's a spellbook sticker. Look at it. Focus. Focus. I don't know what was that. This is a sticker, spellbook sticker that says Rogue and Wolf. This is nice. I already have one from Phantasmagoria when I bought a Killstar dress. So I don't know, I haven't put it anywhere yet. But I'm starting a collection, it seems. So I'll have to think of a place to put it. To just stick this all together and make some nice collection of stickers. And that's it. Here is the Rosewind Bolero. It's made of velvet, soft at the touch, with this lace lining all around and at the end of the sleeves, with also this pendant. It has this button at the neck area with this intricate design. I bought the size S and I'm still kinda undecided if this fits well or if I should have traded for the size M. The thing is, I like how it looks on me. It is cute and elegant, the sleeves are the perfect size, but the shoulders may be a little tighter, and when it's with the button tied, I feel it should leave a little more space around the neck. But I like the overall length of it. These are the straight line shorts. These I got on the size XS, and I really like how it fits just right around my waist, as they are precisely high waist. They are indeed short, and that's what made me think if I should have exchanged for the size S or not. But I don't know if these are those kind of shorts that are supposed to be very, very short,
like almost buttock showing short, or if these are just a size under. Anyway, I like how they fit and their design is super cool with the distressed bottom hem. I love the zippers, you can open them up and show more of your legs if you desire. They are made of cotton and they have the openings and the inside fabric for pockets, but they are sewn together. I guess you can cut this open if you wish to have functional pockets. Last, but not least, it's the Punk Next Door overall. It's a short, high-waist skirt with these suspender-like straps that go over the shoulder and secure in place at the back with 2 buttons. It's made mainly of polyester, and I got it in the size S, and this is the only one that I feel I got the size completely correct. It fits like a glove, looks great on me, and it's simple but different in design, as I don't have any other skirt that looks like this. It has 2 zippers, one hidden at the side and another one at the front for design purposes, but also to help the skirt hug your waist. It also has these 2 ribbons that lace up in a corset style on the pleats, and they're made of velvet, at least one side of them. The Rogue and Wolf rings fit perfectly, although I didn't have the ring sizer thing at the time. I got the Ring of Affection and the Lotus Awakens armor ring in the size 8 and the Hunt Midi ring in the size 4. They're all 3D printed in polyamide plastic.
I hope you like this. There's still more boxes to come. At least one more, if I'm not mistaken, if my memory doesn't fail. But I can't really trust my memory, because my memory is bad. I'll be back when the next box arrives, because we are not done yet. Yes. Don't look at me with that face.